Best cordless drills. Are you looking for the best cordless drills? In this video we will look at some of the best cordless drills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Milwaukee 2904-20 Hammer Drill. With an impressive balance of power, size, and control, this half-an-inch Milwaukee hammer drill proves that high performance doesn't have to come in a bulky package. Delivering a maximum speed of 2,100 revolutions per minute and an outstanding 1,400 inch-pounds of torque, it's more than capable of handling demanding drilling and driving tasks. While it may not claim the absolute top spot for speed, real-world testing shows it powering effortlessly through tough jobs, including half-an-inch drill bits, 1-inch spade bits, and even a quarter-inch holes in concrete with consistent, reliable results. One standout feature is its 3-speed gearbox, which offers more flexibility than most competing models that typically provide only 2 speeds. This extra control makes it easy to shift from high-power drilling to more delicate screw-driving tasks without sacrificing precision. Whether you're working on framing, masonry, or general construction, the drill adapts smoothly to the job at hand. What truly sets this tool apart is how much capability Milwaukee has packed into such a compact form. Measuring just under 7 inches in length and weighing only 3.3 pounds, tool only, it's comfortable to use for extended periods and easy to maneuver in tight spaces. The built-in auto-stop feature adds another layer of safety by instantly cutting power if the bit binds, helping prevent wrist injuries and tool damage. While it may not be the single fastest or most powerful option available, its exceptional combination of performance, compact design, and smart features makes this Milwaukee hammer drill one of the best all-around choices in its class. Number 2. Skil PWRCORE Drill Driver Kit. The Skil PWRCORE 20-volt drill delivers impressive performance in a lightweight, budget-friendly package, making it an excellent option for homeowners and DIY users. With a maximum speed of 1,800 revolutions per minute and 400 inch-pounds of torque, it offers enough power for most everyday drilling and driving tasks. In testing, the drill completed a half-inch hole through a standard 2x4 in just 3 seconds, an impressive result for a tool in this price range. Performance with larger accessories was more inconsistent. When paired with a 1-inch spade bit, the drill occasionally struggled, with the bit binding in the wood after several holes. However, when used as a driver, it performed reliably, easily sinking 3-inch screws without hesitation. This makes it particularly well suited for light construction, furniture assembly, and general household projects. One of the Skil PWRCORE's biggest advantages is its compact and lightweight design. At only 2.23 pounds for the tool alone and measuring just 6.1 inches in length, it's one of the easiest 20-volt drills to maneuver. The slim profile reduces hand fatigue and makes it ideal for overhead work or tight spaces. While it doesn't include advanced features found on premium cordless drills, Skil keeps the essentials intact. You get 2 speed settings for better control and a built-in LED work light to improve visibility in dim areas. Best of all, the price is hard to beat. With complete kits available for around $80, far less than the $300 or more often charged for high-end models, the Skil PWRCORE stands out as a smart, affordable choice for budget-conscious users. Number 3. Flex 24V Brushless Cordless Hammer Drill. Flex has built a strong reputation for producing high-powered cordless tools, and this drill fully lives up to that standard. With a maximum speed of 2,500 revolutions per minute and an impressive 1,400 inch-pounds of torque, it delivered exceptional results across every test. The drill powered through 5 half-an-inch holes using a twist bit and 5 1-inch holes with a spade bit, completing each set in under 3 seconds without any slowdown or hesitation. Its smooth, confident performance clearly sets it apart from many competing cordless drills. To push it even further, the drill was tested on solid cement using a 3/8-inch masonry bit. Where most cordless drills begin to struggle or stall, the Flex continued drilling steadily, cutting clean holes through concrete with remarkable ease. This level of performance highlights just how much power the 24-volt motor and battery system deliver, making it suitable for demanding professional applications. that power does come with extra weight. The tool alone weighs approximately 3.9 pounds, and with the included 5.0Ah battery installed, the total weight approaches 6 pounds. Even so, the relatively compact 7.1-inch head length helps maintain good balance and allows access to tighter work areas. Flex also equips this drill with several advanced features. A dedicated turbo button unlocks maximum torque when needed, while built-in rotation protection automatically stops the tool if it detects over-rotation, helping protect your wrist and arm. Although it's priced higher than most alternatives, this Flex cordless drill is an excellent choice for users who demand uncompromising power and performance from their tools. Number 4. DeWalt 20V Max XR Hammer Drill. DeWalt's flagship XR cordless drill stands out for its exceptional power, speed, and versatility, making it a top-tier option for both professionals and serious DIY users. Although the manufacturer doesn't officially list a torque rating, real-world performance leaves little doubt about its capabilities. In testing, the drill blasted through a half-inch hole in a standard 2x4 in roughly half a second, then followed up by boring a 1-inch hole with a paddle bit in just 3 seconds. These times were the fastest recorded among all the drills tested, highlighting the XR's impressive strength and efficiency. Despite its raw power, DeWalt gives users excellent control. The drill features 3 speed settings, allowing you to significantly reduce output when precision matters more than force. Combined with adjustable torque settings, this makes it easy to drive screws cleanly without stripping heads or damaging materials. This balance of strength and finesse makes the XR equally effective for heavy drilling and detailed fastening work. The drill is also packed with thoughtful safety and convenience features. An anti-rotation system automatically shuts off the motor if excessive twisting is detected, helping protect your wrist during sudden bind-ups. A built-in, adjustable LED work light improves visibility and can be aimed directly at the work area, which is especially useful in dim or enclosed spaces. At 4.1 pounds for the tool alone, the DeWalt XR isn't the lightest cordless drill available. However, its relatively compact 7.6-inch head length allows it to fit into tighter spaces more easily than many bulkier competitors, making it a powerful yet practical all-around performer. Number 5. Makita 18V LXT half-an-inch cordless hammer driver/drill. Makita's flagship hammer drill delivers an impressive blend of power and compact design, making it a standout choice for demanding drilling and driving tasks. With a maximum speed of 2,100 revolutions per minute and a robust 1,250 inch-pounds of torque, this tool is clearly built for heavy-duty performance. During testing, it handled every challenge with ease, effortlessly driving both a half-inch standard drill bit and a 1-inch spade bit through solid 2x4 lumber without hesitation. Its hammer drill function proved equally capable. When put to work on masonry, the drill smoothly bored 5/8-inch holes into concrete, demonstrating the strength and consistency needed for construction and renovation projects. Power delivery remained controlled and predictable, even under heavier loads. Beyond drilling, this Makita excels as a driver. By dialing back the speed and torque settings, it became easy to prevent stripped screw heads while maintaining strong fastening performance. In repeated tests, the drill consistently drove 3-inch wood screws into stacked 2x4s with clean, reliable results. This versatility makes it well suited for users who need one tool that can transition seamlessly between drilling, hammer drilling, and driving. Despite its high output, the drill maintains a relatively compact form factor. With a head length of just 7 inches, it can access tight or awkward spaces more easily than many competing models. However, this power does come at the cost of weight. At 5.5 pounds for the tool alone, it is one of the heavier drills in its class, which may cause fatigue during extended use. Still, for those who prioritize strength and capability, Makita's hammer drill remains a top-tier performer.